At Central Texas Dermatology, we handle pretty much all types of skin disease, everything from acne to psoriasis, with a special emphasis on skin cancer. Skin cancer is a tremendous problem in this country, so we spend a lot of time taking care of skin cancers. It's probably what I do most. And we do a specific type of surgery for skin cancer. It's called Mohs micrographic surgery. And with that technique, we take the cancer out under local anesthesia here in the office, and I have a lab here in the office, so we process the tissue here, and we make sure that we get it all out before we sew up the patient.
They're the greatest. In fact, he has done this same procedure on top of my head about 7 or 8 years ago, and on my wife also. And on my wife, my goodness, you can't even find where he did the work on that.
There's 3 different types of skin cancer, and the demographics are actually different for the 3 types. The most common type is basal cell cancer, and then the second most common type is squamous cell cancer. And you see those usually in people who are a bit older and who have a history of usually of long-term sun exposure. Melanoma, which is the more serious type of skin cancer, can occur at any age, and that's a surprise for a lot of people. There's actually a peak during adolescence. I've taken care of lots of teenagers with melanomas, and then there's another peak later in life.
I've actually been a patient of Dr. Ramsdell's for almost 20 years. Dr. Ramsdell has been just a terrific dermatologist for me, and actually become kind of a friend over the years as well. I'll say he's very, very good at what he does, and particularly good not only at identifying the basal cells, but also at doing the removal procedure and then doing the closure on your skin, because you do end up with kind of a plug of skin cut out of your body.
It's sort of a cliche, but dermatology is a very visual type of medical practice, and I have an art background. I love art, so the visual aspect of dermatology is appealing to me. We also have something called skincare awesome, which is the aesthetic part of the practice. And we have 3 estheticians that are licensed, and they do a number of aesthetic procedures on patients. We say that we treat everything from wrinkles to skin cancer here, and I think that pretty much sums up what we do. We pretty much cover the whole gamut of dermatology, whether it be minor cosmetic concerns or life-threatening skin cancer.